What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a QR code using Windows Androids, or for those that are Windows or Android users, okay? All right, this video is going to be very short and simple. For those that don't know what a QR code, it is actually where you can walk up to anyone. Let's say they're trying to pay you through Cash App, through your website payment page, that you want to just send them to your website, or you want to send them to your music video, or anything that you want to send them to. A landing page is what it's called. So anything that you want to send your customer to, client to, or anybody that want to listen to your music, you can walk up to them, have them to open up their camera and scan the QR code that you have created. That way, that customer is going straight to whatever you directed them to on that QR code, okay? So that's what we're going to create right now. So let's get into the video.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to ezsilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.
All right, y'all. We back, y'all. We back. Y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, okay? And hit that notification bell for more videos. All right, so let's say you wanted to send a visitor to your your company page. This is my company, I Think Web Hosting, okay? Let's say you want to send them to this page right here, or you wanted to send them to any page. It could be it doesn't matter what page. Let me do another page. Let me say WordPress, okay? So on this, they're able to pick certain products on your page, and you want to advertise your package that build websites, okay? And you want to send them here to this page right here. So let's go ahead and just send them to this particular page. What you want to do is you want to open up the page that you want to send them to, no matter what page it is on your website. You're going to go right here at the top where it says share, and you want to click share. When you click share, you want to hit QR code, share QR code. All right, right here, it automatically puts it where you want it to go. The page that we just set up, which is I Think Web Hosting, right up here at the top. ithinkwebhosting.com/WordPress. So once they scan this on their camera, they're going to automatically go to I Think Web Hosting and this particular page, which is WordPress, okay? You're going to click on download. And once you click on download, you'll have the QR code right here. Open it up. So anyone can scan this particular QR code and go to that particular page, okay? So let's say you want to add it to, and I did this on another video, but I'm going to do it right quick on this video. Let's say you wanted to put this QR code on a receipt or something like that, or a person or receipt or somewhere, an invoice. Let's say an invoice, okay? You want to put it on an invoice. What you're going to do is go to Canva, and when you're going to go to Canva, you're going to create a blank invoice, okay? Just create an invoice. On this particular invoice, let me pick a design right quick. I think I'm going to pick this first one just to make it easy. Let's say we want this invoice right here, okay? And you want them to be able to scan your particular QR code on this invoice. You want them to pay this invoice, and maybe you send this to the email, or you send this in the mailbox, or wherever. You mail it off to them, or you send it in an email. What you're going to do is click right here. You're going to go to upload, and I did another video, but I'm going to upload the recent one. All right, and then you're going to go to your uploads, wherever you upload it. Click on the QR code and upload that QR code, okay? Once you upload that QR code, go ahead and click on it. And you're going to go ahead and remove this one and add this one, okay? Delete image. All right, and then you're going to put yours up there with it. All right. And what I would do is actually expand it, because you know you need all four corners, okay? Let me delete that and do it differently, okay? Because we're going to delete the frame off this one instead. Let's delete that frame. And let's go ahead and do it again, because you need all four corners. You want to make sure they get the entire QR code. So now, right here, you have the QR code right here. So they're able to scan this particular QR code, go to whatever site that you have for your payment plan or whatever. This is a very unique way to get your payment ASAP. All right, y'all. So I've showed you how to create a QR code using Windows, Android, and so forth. All right. Until next time, y'all, we out. Be easy. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to ezsilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.